Hello everyone, welcome to the Money Voice YouTube channel. Today I present you the world's most beautiful thing, that's called love. So subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so you never miss any update from Money Voice. Between me and you, I choose to be us. Between my choices and your choices, I choose our choice. Between fake and reality, I choose to be transparent with you. Between like and dislike, I choose to love you the most. Yes, that's called true love. Everything was between me and you. And that's where my world ended. Between me and you, I choose to be us.